Ticks. Should I be worried? Did you know that tick bites can transmit diseases to both dogs and people? Ticks are small external parasites that live off the blood of animals, dogs, cats, birds, etc. When dogs walk in areas with grass or undergrowth, ticks can easily climb onto them. While feeding on a dog's blood, infected ticks can transmit bacteria that cause Lyme disease. Lyme disease is the most common disease transmitted by ticks in the UK and Ireland, and it can attack many parts of your dog's body. Signs most commonly occur 2 to 5 months after the tick bite. So at first, your dog may not show any signs of being infected. Signs that are frequently seen include a stiff walk with an arched back, lameness, depression, loss of appetite, and fever. If untreated, Lyme disease can lead to serious health issues such as kidney damage, heart failure, or neurological problems. The good news is that there are products available which kill ticks on your dog, and a vaccine is also available to help protect your dog from Lyme disease. Speak to your vet for further information. A tick can be removed safely by using a tick remover. If you're concerned regarding your dog's health, please speak to your vet. Lyme disease is treatable if diagnosed early.